In 2025, the sound of the A-18 Hornet being built will fade into history. For over 40 years, this jet has been the backbone of U.S. Navy air power. They called it the Navy's Swiss Army knife, a machine that could launch from a moving carrier. Born from the VFAX program in the late 1970s, the Hornet replaced two legends, the F-4 Phantom and the A-7 Corsair, combining their roles into one aircraft. F for fighter, A for attack, a promise written into its name. Its combat debut came in 1986, Operation El Dorado Canyon. Hornets from the USS Coral Sea roared toward Libya, evaded radar, dropped their bombs, and in the same mission, shot down two Libyan MiG-23s. In the Gulf War of 1991, Hornets proved their worth again. On day one, two pilots scored air-to-air kills against Iraqi MiG-21s, then pressed on to destroy their ground targets. No other jet in the world was doing that, and surviving to tell the tale. Under the skin, two General Electric F404 engines pushed it to Mach 1.8. A digital fly-by-wire system gave pilots unmatched agility. Leading-edge extensions let it pull high G turns without stalling. It could carry missiles, bombs, anti-ship weapons, and still refuel in the air to fight even longer. In 1999, the Hornet evolved into the FA-18E-F Super Hornet, bigger, stronger, with an advanced AESA radar that could track multiple targets at once. It replaced the F-14 Tomcat and took on missions from Afghanistan to Iraq, from Syria to the South China Sea. Its electronic warfare variant, the EA-18G Growler, could blind enemy radars before a single shot was fired. Other nations trusted it too: Australia, Canada, Spain, Finland, Kuwait, Switzerland, each writing their own combat chapters with the Hornet. And for more than 3 decades, the Blue Angels turned it into an airshow icon, proving that the same jet that fought in war could dance in the sky with perfect precision. But all legends have an ending. Boeing will stop building the Hornet in 2025. It will serve into the 2030s, but its successor, the F-35C Lightning II, is already waiting in the wings. Still, the Hornet's legacy is untouchable. From the Gulf of Sidra to the deserts of Iraq to the decks of America's carriers, it has been a guardian for generations. The FA-18 Hornet wasn't just a fighter jet, it was proof that one aircraft could do it all and win. And for those who have stood on a carrier deck and watched it thunder into the sky, afterburners blazing in the fading light, you know the truth. Some legends never truly retire. Truly,